Sabi ni Emil, bakit kaya unopposed yung petition ni Attorney Kaufman for interim release? It's just unexpected of the opposition to not oppose. Binasa ko yung rules at saka yung ibang mga opinion ng mga dalubhasa tungkol dito sa mga trials on the ICC. At naniniwala ang ICC, well, bahagi ng polisiya ng ICC, the rule is, dahil hindi pa nagta-trial, ikaw po ay malaya pa dapat. Nag-acquire na ng jurisdiction ang pre-trial court and consequently yung ICC over the person and over the subject matter na charge kay PRD, pero hindi pa siya on trial, hindi pa siya guilty. And therefore, yung deprivation of liberty, katulad po ng mga nasa saligang batas natin, that is the exception rather than the rule. So baliktad po ha, pag ikaw ay humaharap sa hukuman, the presumption is still of innocence. Ganito din po ang polisiya sa ICC. Dahil for trial ka pa lang, hindi ka, yung interim release, it appears doon sa mga opinions at even in the rules, interim release is a right at kailangan magpatunay yung prosecution na hindi ka karapat-dapat na mag-avail ng interim release na ito. So may mga instances na po, even before na the ones who were held for trial ay nire-release at pre-trial. Kasi sa pre-trial stage pa lang po ang hearings dito. But even pag tinignan ninyo, nakalagay doon sa rules, ang interim release can be for the entire duration of the trial.